What's going on? This is Markie Williams, and welcome to my channel regarding online certification courses. Allow me to break down these courses and what they consist of. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be priority if you want to stay current in your field of work, and plus, get paid your worth. So let's get started. Are you passionate about baking and love spoiling your furry friends? When it comes to starting a dog bakery business from home, could be your perfect recipe for success. With the pet treat market booming at nearly $7 billion in sales, there's never been a better time to turn your love and passion for dogs and baking into a profitable venture. Starting a dog bakery business requires minimal upfront investment, but careful planning around recipes, marketing, and of course, regulations. Leveraging e-commerce, farmers markets, and local partnerships can help you quickly scale your business efficiently. So instead of being all over the place gathering and guidance, I got your one main source you can go to for everything from a step-by-step order tracking system, best treats to bake and sell immediately, and of course, a detailed step-by-step business system designed to get you up and running in no time. The Bake a Dog-a-Bone Startup Resource Guide shows you not only how to bake the treat with most profits, but also shows you how to network with other pet professionals to add another income stream flowing into your bank account. The Bake a Dog-a-Bone demonstrates how to create several income streams within your pet bakery business by adding on gift baskets, seasonal items, services to boost your sales. Along with the Bake a Dog-a-Bone Startup Resource Guide, you will also receive these 3 bonuses as well. Bake Your Dog a Bone Recipe Guide with over 150 specially designed recipes by experts in pet nutrition. 33 All natural remedies for common issues. This essential guide will give you several alternative treatments for common health problems. Profit Estimator Spreadsheet, a fully functioning profit calculating spreadsheet that will guide you to creating a solid budget and track startup expenses. And Profitability. Purchasing is simple. Click the link in my description below for an instant download of the step-by-step business. Once the transaction is approved, you will then be directed to a special download page where you will download the resource guide along with your free bonuses. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. I also have a website up and running, which is also Markie Williams online certification courses. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any trending certification courses you may want to pick up, and comment below. I will reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and there I also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these thumbnails as well that's floating around right here, and also remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.